And no, I'm not going to school. I know you guys are gonna say, yeah, tell me school when I go to school, it's fine. Worry about yourself. Nah.
What
But
grade are you in now?
I'm in grade 10.
So already you don't feel like continuing?
Okay, I hate it, yeah. But I'm gonna finish school. That's important for me,
Okay,
right?
okay. And how are you performing in class?
Hey son, hey.
No, I mean, I'm
Hey
telling about
son.
Coco. I'm a 2000, guys.
Hey
It's just
son.
something. I'm a 2000. Yes, I'm a
Hey.
2000.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. You guys, Thando has emphasized on a number of times that she really hates school, and she recently revealed to Gogo Skhotheni on why she does not like school on her interview on Gogo Skhotheni's podcast. You guys, she said that she feels like school is wasting her time and it is blocking her from doing her influencing job because she constantly has to be in school and not out there making real money, you guys. She said that had it been her way, she would be homeschooled and instead so that she can be able to balance the two, work and school. When asked if she loves school, she said that she does not, but she does not have a choice but to attend, and said that she is not doing good in school. As a matter of fact, the only term she takes seriously is the fourth term, because that's the one that determines whether She also said that even though she does not love school, you guys, she intends on finishing her matric. And as she said in her own words, school really sucks and cannot wait to finish. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comments. Also, like this video and share it. I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.